Creating subtitles manually is slow and wastes hours, which is why today I'm showing AddSubtitle AI, a powerful tool that helps creators generate accurate subtitles, translate videos into multiple languages, and even offers advanced features like rewrite and dub and AI voiceover in one cloud-based workflow. Many creators either skip subtitles or spend hours typing captions, which reduces watch time and limits global reach. With AddSubtitle AI, you can upload a video and generate perfectly synced subtitles with a single click, then translate those subtitles into multiple languages to reach a global audience. Without extra effort, the platform is fast, intuitive, and works best on desktop, giving you the complete editing experience in one place. Here's the little tutorial of how to add subtitle in AddSubtitle AI. Click on Add Subtitle, select your file, then select your video language, and below select the language you want your video subtitle. After that, it will start processing. After processing, click on the project. Here you can find multiple caption style. You can also change subtitle, and after that you can export your video.
So that I may fight once more, defeat one more enemy, and return home to her. Please find my what?
And now here is the little tutorial of how to translate your video into multiple languages. First, click on Translate Video, select your file, then select your video language. Then select the language you want your video and then submit. After that, it will process. As you can see that your video is translated from English to Arabic, and you can export your video.
بكي أقاتل مرة أخرى.
هزم عدو آخر.
بتراجع إلى منزلها.
In AddSubtitle AI, you can upload video from your PC or from YouTube. You can also gain credits by inviting friends, and this is the best feature I found in this site, that you can convert your own voice into these famous person's voice, or you can convert text-to-speech I voice into these like. They have Trump, Elon Musk voice and Ronaldo voice, and many more.
The economy, tremendous numbers, absolutely.
So the key to effective noise reduction is
every day I push myself to be better than yesterday.
And return home to her.
And return home to her.
Subtitles and translations significantly improve accessibility, increase viewer retention, and help videos perform better across different regions. If you want faster subtitling, easy video translation, and a smarter way to scale your content globally, check the link in the description and try AddSubtitle AI on desktop.